What is up, guys? So today I have here the AirPods Pro 2, and today I'm going to be unboxing and giving my first impressions of these earbuds in 2024. But that was legitimately the worst transition in my life. These are the AirPods Pro 2, so not the, or with the US Type-C, so not the Lightning ones like I had before. So yeah, let's get into the unboxing. Okay, so let's go ahead and turn on the iPhone 16 Pro Face ID. Just open these bad boys up. And there we have the little charging animation. Let me just readjust you guys. Okay, let's go ahead and hit connect. Got the little chime. So, media and call control, skip. Not now. Not now. Yeah, do that. Continue. So that is, everything is now set up. So I will have a long-term review on these earbuds and also comparing them to Samsung's brand new Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, which I think are probably the biggest competitor to these earbuds. So yeah, there we have the US Type-C on the charging case, so pretty nice to see there. So yeah, definitely stick around for my review, and thanks for watching this quick unboxing and first impressions. And yeah, stick around for content on the Apple AirPods Pro 2 with US Type-C, iPhone 16 Pro, and also the Apple Watch Series 8 in 2024, which I don't have. But yeah, so thanks for watching, subscribe if you haven't already, and see ya.